Open the accessory box. Open the faceplate cover. Put a thread spool to spool pin and a spool cap onto the spool pin. Pull the thread from the spool. Guide the thread through the thread guide. Thread the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winding shaft. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold the end of the thread. Press the bobbin winding regulator. Cut the thread. Take out the bobbin from the bobbin winding shaft. Put the bobbin and thread winds counterclockwise. Pull the thread trough the slit. Pull the thread to the left side. Cut the thread with the built-in cutter. Close the hook cover. Turn off the sewing machine. Align the hand marking with the machine body marking. Lift the presser foot lifting lever. Open the faceplate cover. Place the thread spool on the spool pin. Draw the thread from the spool through the upper thread guide. Lead thread down the right channel and up left channel. Ensure the thread is behind the thread take-up. Thread the guide from the right-hand side. Lower the presser foot. Press the lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release the lever. The thread will be threaded into the needle eye. Pull the thread backward. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machine for a straight stitch. Press the Start/Stop button. The machine will start sewing. Press the reverse sewing button. Sew a few reverse stitches. Press the thread trimming button to trim the threads. Set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Attach the overcasting foot. Sew with the fabric edge aligned against the overcasting foot guide. Set the machine for the overcasting stitch. Press the button to edit the memory pattern. Press the automatic thread trimming button. Press Start/Stop button. The machine will sewing the memory pattern. The machine will cut the threads automatically when it was done. Remove the selected combination pattern. Turn the hand wheel to lift the needle to the highest point. Release the needle set screw and remove the needle. The flat side of the needle is facing towards the back of the machine. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. Open the button plate and insert the button. Install the buttonhole foot. Pull the thread through the hole in the presser foot so that it is under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever. After sewing, use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Turn off the machine. Remove the needle plate using a T-shaped screwdriver. Take out the bobbin case holder. Clean the lint and dirt around the feed dog and bobbin case holder using a cleaning brush. Install the bobbin case holder so that the 2 points meet each other. Install the throat plate.